Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Gwan Tours. We're in the gorgeous Laganas and we're going to see what it's like after dark. So let's see Gwan, you all know the vibe. So yeah, it's coming up for about 11. So you got the Moulin Rouge live strip show. Half 11 guys, sorry. So yeah, we're just going to see what it's like in the evenings. We're starting at the top of the strip. We're going to work our way down.
We've just been to see Dan's World. Woo!
Dan's World, Dan's World.
If you didn't know who Dan is, check him out. It's Dan's World on YouTube, Facebook. He does Zante vlogs every day.
And he's lives here, so you get to see the most up-to-date. So if you're coming out to Zante, do check him out and he'll give you all the update information for your holiday. But let's see Gwan. So you got a few bars, they're all open. A lot of places at the moment where I'm noticing aren't getting really busy until like 12 onwards. Keep walking because of the music. Got Johnny's Pitter. Oh yeah, sorry guys, you probably didn't see that. Let me just spin it around. Hey!
Yes, Papa.
Got Munchies over there. So yeah, you got a few places, but a lot of them get busy later, don't they? Got cocktails in this one. It's actually getting a little bit busy in that one. And then what have you got across the road? You've got Bonsai. Bonanza, sorry. It's more of like a restaurant though, isn't it? Got Cheeky Tiki's coming up. See if that one's busy. And have a little restaurant here called Anima. Yeah, Cheeky Tiki's. Yeah, it's not too bad. Evening. That's one with the car in there. Don't suppose we'll be able to see it. This is a piercing shop. It looks like it's closed at the moment. So if you just tuned in, welcome to our Gwan Tours. We're in Zante, Laganas, and we're just walking down the strip. So you've got Ignite over there. Again, it's more of like a bar, that one. So you've got a mixture of like bars and sort of clubs, I guess. Perry Heaven, pretty sure that's new this year. That's a nice little chicken joint, but yeah, it's massive.
That's massive.
It is massive, absolutely massive. You got your little souvenir shops there, either side. And then coming up, you got Frozen Bubble, very Instagrammable. Got a little shooting place here. Had one of those in Sylvie as well. Course and cart if you want to do a little bit of a romance. But yeah, Frozen Bubbles. Gets a lot of Instagram pics. Looks quite busy actually, doesn't it? Quite a nice one. Do your normal. Yeah, palm burger, yeah. This is more of an eating place. Barcode. Then you got Sugar. Sugar, do. Again, places getting busy. I think I don't think we actually filmed at this point, but when me and Kirk, so we've been to Zante many times, but we did a little bar crawl and that was one of them we did, but I don't think we was filming at that point. Our lives kind of merged between before and after Gwan. So yeah, you got the free lines over there. And then you got this one.
So ice cream bar.
Yeah, so it's more like a dessert place, get your crepes and everything. And then we got Lit Bar coming up, which is where most of the events for Zakynthos, which is what we're here for as well. So if you're interested in Zakynthos, it's every year. Yeah, Zakynthos, we've been doing events there at Lit Bar. It's quite nice. Not as big as I'd like it to be, but it's still good. And then coming up to the corner, you've got your BJ's, which is like your pizza and your takeaway. All your sort of your after a night out grub, which you need. And then opposite, you got Big Boys. So both are pretty much the same thing. So pick which one you like. So this one's quite a nice one. It's a hotel bar on my left. It's got a nice pool as well that you can go and chill out in. Let me know if you stayed in the Albatross.
Right, so we're coming up to Cherry Bay. We've got Loft. And you've got a little cannabis shop here.
Icon's still closed.
Icon, I told you it was closed earlier on. I don't think they're opening up till later this season. You've got World of Weed, you've got a little football one here. Let me know if you come here and play, Dan. But yeah, Loft. It's got up the top, see Loft at the top there? And you've got Cherry Bay to the right, left of it.
Medusa on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got Medusa bar. It's quite busy in this one. You got Shisha, so Shisha as well.
I think the place for
But yeah, Cherry Bay looking really busy as normal.
Yeah, and then you got Rescue.
Got Rescue on the left, yeah.
Hey guys.
You alright?
Here to meet the Rescue.
So yeah.
Yeah, Rescue actually looks quite busy, and then again Cherry Bay looks really busy.
Both of them are really busy places. You alright? Very busy. Or not open at the moment, but this is where the last event is for Sokomaza, so it must be open towards the end of this week.
Got Libido over there.
Can't really see in it, it's dead though.
Another football place. So these football places are quite spread out, aren't they? Along this strip.
So you got Street Booze not open.
Yeah.
Everyone loud as they can be, it's normal. It's fun times.
Yeah. Got Sizzle. Got Sizzle bar now.
Sizzle, everyone having fun? Is all the girls out? It's actually full of females. I don't actually see a man. There's no men. There's no men in there. But yeah, it's looking fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Place that I'll be in. Flavours, yeah. Flavours across the road. Frozen cocktail. McDonald's as normal.
Yeah.